It's week 1, let's get organised. I'm here to show you 4 ways to set yourself up for study this semester using your most important tool, your unit outlines. Firstly, organise your unit outlines and unit info. What I'm doing is creating a new folder on my desktop and in my student email for each unit. Download your unit outlines from My Studies and save them in the corresponding folder on your desktop, and then sort any emails you receive into its relevant unit folder. This makes it easy to find information when you need it during semester. Next, highlight the most relevant sections in the unit outline. Unit outlines are really big documents, so this just makes it easier to digest. Open the unit outline up in Adobe Acrobat or a similar software and highlight the following sections: unit coordinator information, learning resources, assessment schedule and tasks, late assessment penalties, assessment extension information, referencing style, and the program calendar. Number 3, write out your assessment deadlines. Buy or make a giant physical calendar. Just use an A2 piece of paper. Write all your assignment deadlines in, as well as any big things in your personal, uni, or work life that might interfere with your study schedule. Are there any random things like placements or trips away that are happening during the semester? Then keep it at your desk at all times to refer back to. Lastly, look at the learning resources suggested in your unit outline, such as UniSkills or the Academic Integrity Guide. Personally, I love UniSkills. The best module to try first is Getting Started, which teaches you how to fully understand assessment questions and break down your assignment rubric into a checklist. It might feel basic, but knowing exactly what you need to hit to get good grades will save you so many marks. You could write the best assignment ever, but if you miss things that the mark is looking for, or even misinterpret the brief entirely, all of that effort could be wasted. Getting ready for study can feel overwhelming, so I hope these tips did help you. Good luck.